Hola, I'm Steph.
Hi, I'm Andreas.
And we're from Calibrate Studio. Today we are actually going to go through another hip flexor drill. Today's is going to be a banded mountain climber. Now that sounds pretty brutal. It is. We're going to start off with the easier version. So the easier version is actually going to be in a full plank. So I know that you might think an elbow plank might be easier, but actually the full plank is going to be easier. In terms of the setup, Dre's got the band around his feet, so around the arches of his feet. He's come up into his plank already where his shoulders are over his wrists, and he's actually going to lift his belly button up a little higher. He's squeezing his bum here. I'm going to keep my hand right here. So all he's going to look to do is bring his right knee up towards his chest, and he holds it right there. He's trying not to let his foot come further out. He's pulling the band apart, good, and then he's going to slowly transition, change to the other side, pull in, really draw that belly button up. I don't mind if you actually hollow a little bit more, lift a bit more, good, come back out. But what I don't want you to do is to sag downwards and to lift the knee up that way. So this is a big no-no, okay? And the other big no-no is pushing your bum up in the air to bring the knee up. So another big no-no, okay? So what you want to do, sorry, Dre, one more. We're going to have a nice flat spine, hollow just slightly, good, and then knee up. Hold that position in, and back out, and last one. In, and back out, and drop your knees down. So that is variation one, okay? Second variation, he's actually going to come onto his elbows now. So this one makes it a little bit harder, okay? Bear with me. So as he's on his elbows, same thing. Elbows are directly below his shoulders, plank position, hollowing the stomach. When I'm saying hollow the stomach, what I mean is tuck your tailbone back down again. So you're scooping under to squeeze your bum because you want to link up your stomach with your hips. I'm sorry, Dre, wait until I finish talking. Good. So from there, everything is like his hips are going that way and his belly's coming up that way, and then that is how you brace everything is really, really nice and tight. You're protecting your spine beautifully. I'm going to talk less now. Dre's going to come straight back into what he did just now. Right knee comes up. He's trying not to lift his hips up. You see how he did that there? Drop down a little lower. So now he really has to use his hip flexion here to pull up. I'm going to help support him. Come back up. Good. Hold. Come back out. Hear the sounds now. And other side up. Just one on each side. Bring that knee up. Bring that knee up. Bring that knee up. Good. And all the way back out and relax. Good. So that is it for today. You can see how hard that is. The control required when doing these exercises is massive, okay? I would rather you do much less reps rather than try and go for 10 on each side. Even if you're doing 3 on each side to begin with, start with that and then build up. And also with the band, I'm using a red one with Dre right now because I wanted to actually push his hip flexion, but I would say roughly stick with either the yellow or the red ones, and if it's really too hard, drop down to the blue first before you build up again. Okay, so there's no shame in dropping back down, but do try to make sure you push yourself with these ones. So, hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.